Hi, I would like to share with you our new expanded line of EcoSmart products that we're introducing today at InfoComm. We have two products that we would like to share. One is a backpack, and the other is a backpack and a roller. So what you'll see is the benefit of this is actually made with recycled water bottles. We use 35 water bottles that are removed from landfills to be able to make this bag. And then you can see we have a nice bright interior, so you have a lot of space for your overnight clothing areas. In the front here, you can also see that it has a pocket for your laptop. It's padded, as well as your tablet case or your tablet device. Couple benefits you have. Obviously, you have your pole here, so you can go ahead and roll it around. It's convertible, so it's not only a roller, but if you could cover the wheels with this little cover here, so that way what it'll do is it'll keep your clothes nice and clean. And then you have your hideaway shoulder strap, so if you could convert it into a backpack. Very proud of this collection, very modern design, has a lot of capacity, and we feel that it's going to do very well for us with this new eco line of products that is really a big mega trend in the marketplace right now. Thank you.